Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. In this video, we'll dive into topic Programming Fundamentals.
When choosing the language for this course, I had two main requirements. It needed to be popular and easy to learn. As far as being popular right now, the top 5 programming languages are Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, and C#. That narrowed down the list considerably. When it comes to ease of learning, both Python and JavaScript have fewer syntax requirements than the other languages. So let's look at those two. Both Python and JavaScript tend to be more concise. This means it takes fewer lines of code to get things done. They're also easier to understand, as both languages use structure and wording that are closer to human language. Which one to choose? Well, JavaScript was designed to work with and manipulate web pages, and it continues to be widely used for that reason, although it can also be used for non-web applications. Python, on the other hand, was designed to be a general-purpose language. You can use Python to create web apps, internal company tools, perform scientific analysis, as well as create games. The Python language has been around for decades, and it's available on multiple platforms, including Mac, Windows, Linux, and more. It's a great choice for exploring the various concepts that we are going to cover. So for this course, Python is the winner. We've already seen some Python code. Remember our simple Hello World program that was written in Python? This is also Python code. Can you guess what it does? If not, that's okay. By the end of this course, not only will you know what it does, but you'll be able to write some of the programs yourself. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist Become a Programmer Full Course 2025 to master programming from beginning to advanced.